Hello everyone, this is Sarvachan Verma and currently I am working as a Ajay Kumarkar Engineering College Ghaziabad in the video lecture series. Today I will discuss artificial intelligence agents. Okay, so basically what is the meaning of intelligent agent? So basically intelligent agent in AI is an entity that makes a decision that enables artificial intelligence to be put into action. Means what is the main functions of intelligent agent is include perceptions and actions. Perception is done through sensors while actions are initiated through actuators. Suppose in my hand this is one remote which is used to navigate my slides to next and previous slides. I am going to use this remote for this purpose. What is the perception? If we are talking about perception means what is intelligence in our mind generated, okay, or on particular that perception, on particular that intelligence, I perform the actions. What actions? I move our slides to forward direction as well as in backward direction. So basically what is agent? Agent include two actions. First one is perception, and based on perception they perform actions. So basically if we are talking about perception, there is a lot of we can say I intelligence. I will see, I can hear, I can speak, based on that situation these type of signals comes into our minds, and that's perception will be generated, intelligence will be generated. On that scenario through I will respond accordingly. So this is the total scenario about the intelligent. So basically intelligent is a two components. First one is perception and second one is action. Now so you will see here an agent is anything, can be viewed as anything, means it may be a driverless car, it may be agent. For surgery a robot is an agent. Agent is any type. So what is the purpose of agent? Purpose of agent is perceiving its environment through sensors. This is the first thing. And second one, acting upon that environment through actuators. What is actuators? Actuators may be machine, may be motor, may be performing any type of which perform the task. You will see here hand is a actuators, okay, leg is a actuators. I percept from my mind, and based on that signals comes into the mind, I respond. So particular product respond on what situation? Through actuators. Okay. Now what is the characteristics of good intelligent agent is? What are the characteristics? So you will see here they have some level of autonomy that allow them to perform certain tasks on their own. It have capability to take decision, okay, they have own autonomy, they have own decisions. Second thing, they have a learning ability, they have a learning ability that enables them to learn even as tasks are carried out. Okay. Third one is they can interact with other entities such as agent, humans and system. Fourth one is they are knowledge based. It means they use knowledge regarding communications, regarding processes and entities. So these are the characteristics may be a good intelligent agent. You will see here this is the example, very good example of agent type vacuum. This is the vacuum cleaner, and I want to make this vacuum cleaner as a intelligent. I want to put some intelligence into this vacuum cleaner's agent. Okay, you will see here we have two locations A and B, and we have two locations A and B, and in both two locations we have some dirt. है ना? So the task of this vacuum cleaner is to perform the dusting. This is a task to perform to shuck the dust area and clean that area. So a vacuum cleaner world with just two locations. First one is locations A and second one is location B. You will see here, this is the location A and this is the location B. Now you will see here, this is our some agent functions I have drawn. This is these all the agent functions. These all are the agent functions. These all are the agent functions. You will see here at location A, if vacuum cleaner at location A and they sense that this area is clean, so in that situation the action will perform to move the right direction. You will see here, to move the right direction. Now at the location A, if they found dirt, immediately perform shuck. Please clean up these dirt. Okay. Similarly, if vacuum cleaner at location B and they sense that area is clean, please move to left direction. You will see here, they are moving in both direction. Either they found the clean, okay, they move to different location. If they found dirt, please shuck. So these are the two operations on locations A and B, either to move left or right, either to move shuck. These are the three operations. Okay. So this is a combinations of agent functions. Now you will see here, again I am going to design some driverless car. So first we have designed agent type is taxi driver. You will see here, if we are going to define the agent, okay, so first we are measuring four area. First one is performance measures. In what environment our agent will behave and live, actuators and sensors. If we talking about taxi driver, so what are the different performance we will take? Our agent should be safe, fast, legal, comfortable. It may be it give the comfortable trip to our passengers, and our agent will maximize the profit. It means maximize the mileage. If we talking about for agent type taxi driver, what are the environment? Environment may be road, other traffic and other customers. What are the actuators in this agent type? Steering, accelerator, brake, signals, and you will see here horn and display. These are the machinery part which perform the actions when they receive some event. What are different sensors are required? There is a lot of sensors are required. Cameras, sonar, speedometer, GPS, odometer, accelerometer, engine, sensors and keyboards. Okay. You will see here, when you are going to design some agent type, this is the agent type is taxi driver. First we have to take some PEAS. PEAS means performance, environment, actuators and sensors. Now If we're talking about performance measures to which we would like our automatic driver to aspire, okay. So what are the different desirable quality should be included in your agent? First one is getting to the correct destination. This is the first priority. Second one is minimizing fuel consumptions. This is the second. These are the performance measures, okay. Minimize the trip time or cost. Good. Minimizing violations of traffic laws and disturbance to other drivers, okay. Maximize safety and passenger comfort. And last one is maximizing profits. If we are going to design such type of agent, taxi driver, so before developing an agent, we are going to analyze some parameters, and these parameters are, we can say these parameters are, you will see here. If we are talking about environment, so the taxi environment must deal with a variety of roads. Taxi might need to operate in Southern California where snow is sometime a problem, or in Alaska where is a sometime is not. So this is the scenario. Now if we are talking about actuators, so for an automated taxi include those available to the human driver, okay, control over the engine through the accelerator and control over steering and braking system. Then display screen or voice synthesizer to talk back to the passenger. This is some parameters. It may be included, it may be minimized, it may be maximized, and it may be minimized. It is depends on the developer who are going to design, who are going to develop the AI product, okay. Communicate with other vehicles politely or otherwise. So these are the some examples of actuators. And finally sensors. So for the taxi will include video camera so that they can see the road and they can see the backward positions of our car. Infrared or sonar sensor to detect the distance between the other objects on a particular road. Speedometer and to control the vehicle properly. Accelerometer to determine the mechanical state of the vehicle, and it will need a keyboard or microphone for the passengers to request a destination. So these are the some parameters when are going to develop the agents. Now this is example of some agent type. You will see here agent type: medical diagnosis system, satellite image analysis system. You will see here part picking robot, refinery controller, or iterative English tutor. So these are the, we can design n number of agents according to our requirement, but this is the example of agent types. So for developing the good quality of agents, we firstly analyze performance measures, in what environment our agent will act, what actuators are required, and what sensors are required. So this is the PEAS description of 5 agent type: medical diagnosis system, satellite image, part picking, refinery control, and finally iterative English tutor. Now if we are talking about agent, in AI we deal with commonly 5 type of agents. First one is simple reflex agent. Second one is model based reflex agent, goal based reflex agent, utility based agent, and learning agent. these 5 agents are useful for vary application to applications. Okay. Now, what is the purpose of simple reflex agent? This is the simplest kind of agent, is called the simple reflex agent. This agent select actions on the basis of current percepts, ignoring the rest of the percept history. It means this agent only work on current situations. For example, you will see here in the previous picture, this is the vacuum cleaner agent. This agent is work only in 2 locations and work when they find dirt, otherwise move to the left and right direction. Similarly, you will see here the vacuum agent whose agent function is tabulated in figure I have already discussed is a simple reflex agent because its decision is based only on the current locations, on the whether the location contain dirt or not. You will see here inside this picture, this is the normal example. You will see here, this is take the decisions, learn environment, according to environment, sensor learn the environment. If they found what the world is like now, if actions is taken according to what action I should go do now, perform actuators, sensor give the sense to this actuators, perform the actions, and based on conditions rules we will apply. Okay. Now, if we are talking about model based reflex agent, so basically it work by finding a rules whose condition matches the current situation. Means they finding a rule, okay, and study that rule, and they find if condition is matched, particular condition is matched to the current situations, immediately they perform the actions. Okay. You will see here a model based agent can handle partially observable environment by the use of a model about the world. It means we create a model, inside that model we give the some knowledge, and if some situations read by the particular agent, they extract the knowledge from a particular model. So we can say, by that reason we can say these agents are model based reflex agents. You will see here, to tackle partially observable environment, maintain internal state, every internal state maintained by the model. Okay, you will see here, this is the model, this is the extra part. If we compare between the simple reflex and model based agent is that this is the extra part. They sense the environment, and after environment they interact with the particular model. You will see here, they interact with the particular model and they extract the knowledge, and according to they perform the operations to the environment. This is the example of model based reflex agent. Third one is goal based agent. So we are talking about goal based agents. So basically the knowledge in which the knowledge of current state environment is not always sufficient to decide for an agent to what to do. The agent need to know its goal, which describe desirable situations. Basically, goal based agents expand the capability of model based agent by having the goal information. It means this type of agents already have goal informations. Okay, they choose an actions so that they can achieve the goal. Okay, this is the example of goal based agent. This is the, what is the word? This is the sensor. It is the model, and it has the goal based informations also. And finally, they perform this is the goal operations. Okay, and finally they will perform the operations to the environment. This is the example of goal based agent. now. Okay, and you will see here, finally it will see the environment, perform, take the knowledge from the particular predefined model, and will also take the decisions by the goal. Okay, when they are used to perform the actions, they check your goal state, whether I reach the goal state or not, and finally they perform the actions. Okay, okay, thank you. In next lecture I will discuss remaining agents. Okay, thank you.